Good morning, good morning. This is Karen with Piedmont Appalachian Trail Hikers, and I am out. This is the 2018 season. I'm back out at my section in Southwest Virginia here at Forest Service Road 222 around milepost 560. I'm going to go ahead and work again on an area where there's a down tree. The root ball pulled out all of the trail. There's quite a deep hole. So I'm going to go work on that. It's about 0.5 miles up the trail. So let me get my tools and we're going to head on out. So I have my Pulaski and my Forest Service issued scraper. It's kind of hard to do the video and carry two tools in one hand that are pretty heavy. But again, I'm only going 0.5 miles up the trail, so this should work. And go ahead and get this turned around. This is northbound. Here is the Forest Service Road 222, and that is looking southbound. I saw one northbound through hiker just as I had pulled up into the parking lot. He is now ahead of me, probably moving out pretty fast. And after 560 miles on the trail, you're in very good shape. It's early May 2018. Spring is still just hitting here. Full-blown summer down where I live, off of the mountain. So it's nice to come back into spring. And coming up on the work site, I can see the down tree up ahead of me, a few feet. Okay, here it is. There's the tree. There's the hole. Here's the work I did last month. Looks pretty good. So, I have a goal with this today. Put my tools down. Okay. Goal is to cut this bank here, pull the tread back up this way, take out that tree, extend the back slope up so we don't have this curve, get a little bit more of a straight line. That's my goal today. I'll see how much I can get done. Okay, things are looking good here. Actually, it's pretty, the ground is moist just because of precipitation. So it's making the digging very easy, very quick. It's almost like going through butter. So my job's easy. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Again, here are my tools. Though it looks like a shovel, it's told it's a Forest Service issued scraper, and then my Pulaski. I also have a handsaw, but kind of tying this in, and then this is where I really need to work on. Up through here, and then again, cut out that bank right here so I don't have the dip. So I'll get to it. right, well, here we go. I'm starting to tie in one end to the other. It's looking a little messy, but again, relatively easy work just because the ground is really soft. So it's coming out, the hillside is very easy to cut into. I've had several northbounders pass me now this morning. Always fun to talk to the through hikers. Taking a little break here. I need some water. If I think I need water, then I definitely need water. So a little break. Alrighty, so now I'm post my break, and I think I'm ready to go ahead and take this tree out. I might be in for a little more than I can handle with the root ball. I don't know until I dig it out. I really don't like to take out trees, but in this case, I really have no choice. There is nowhere. This really drops off quite a bit. I need that space over here to back the trail up. My thought last month is that I could quarry rocks and get them rolled down the hill and fill in the hole, and then just pull the mineral soil here and put it on top of rocks and rework the tread here, right through here. But there's no rocks around, and there's none uphill for me to roll down and start filling up that hole. So my second choice now is to dig into the uphill slope. So that's what I'm going to do next, and I'll set up the camera so that I can get footage of me taking out the tree. Sorry, tree. Oh my gosh! Here we go. Ready. Sorry, tree. Okay. Now we'll see what I'm really up against with that. That's pretty monstrous. Well, this root ball is taking it out of me. It's really tough. I thought maybe after I finished up this section, I might do something else. But now I'm thinking, when I'm done here, I'm done. I'm whooped already, but I still have a little bit left in me. Get that taken care of. Had plenty of hikers passing today. Very large group of what probably were Boy Scouts. One southbounder who is flip-flopping. Had a nice conversation with him from Tulsa, Oklahoma. He's enjoying being here in the eastern woodlands. Anyway, there it is. One more little bit right here. I'll tie it in. Alrighty, here I am. 3.5 hours after I arrived. It's 1 o'clock p.m. now. Got here around 9:30, so this is 3.5 hours worth of work. But I got done what I envisioned I wanted to see. So of course this makes me a very happy trail maintainer. It walks well. I've got a nice wide bank here. I think I have my terminology right. I've tied it in on both ends. And for perspective, this is south on the AT. The next shelter down is Not Mall shelter. We'll swing around. And now we're facing north, and the next shelter, probably about 3 miles up from here, is going to be Chestnut Knob shelter. But again, I'm liking the end product. This is good. This is going to last for many, many seasons. Righty, so you want to come on out and learn what it takes to do this, and you're along the eastern seaboard, or honestly anywhere in the U.S. where there are volunteer trail clubs, join one, or just go out for a work weekend or a work trip. See what it takes. It's a lot of fun. And here come some hikers. So I'm going to turn off the video.